Okay, students, last class we have concluded note number 1 on position vector concept. That is, AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA. And similarly, PQ vector, formula to be remembered. This is OQ, terminal vectors, position vector comes first, minus it is OP vector. Note number 2. Note number 2, wherein, let me come back with our coordinate geometry, where normally we say that P is a point given with an ordered pair x, y. Got it? So my requirement is, my question is, if P is a point, definitely with an ordered pair given to us, according to vector language, if I'll consider two axes, x-axis as well as y-axis, origin will be the fixed point, then I definitely can say that position vector of P denoted by OP vector. Okay. So this OP vector, I want in terms of, I mean to say here, OP vector in terms of x, in terms of y. I mean, what's the relation between the position vector as well as x and y? Where you know the meaning of x, you know the meaning of y. According to the coordinate geometry, if P is given here with an ordered pair x, y, then x is called as abscissa, y is called as ordinate. That is, x means the distance, provided if I drop a perpendicular from P towards the x-axis, the distance between the origin and the foot of the perpendicular dropped from the P towards x, which I denoted as m here. So OM distance is actually x, PM distance is actually y. So this is only coordinate geometry meaning now. So whereas my requirement is, if P has been given as a point and the position vector definition has been taken here, then what's the relation between the vector concept and coordinate geometry here? So I think here we are actually building a relation between the pure vector towards the coordinate geometry. So to begin with here, once again from triangular law of vector addition, if I'll say here OM vector, I have given a direction, okay, MP vector, provided if I'll give a direction, then definitely triangular law of vector addition I can apply, and I can say that we have OP vector is a resultant of, is a sum of OM vector plus MP vector, which I have mentioned it here. This is once again triangular law of vector addition, and now we are building up a relation between the position vector of any point with its ordered pair given, the terms are given x, y. So once we have this relation, now the question is, what do you mean by OM vector? So OM vector and MP vector you have to find now. To find this OM vector, once again let me come back with the definition of unit vector, wherein I gave you a simple formula, that is A cap is equal to, please recollect, in the types of vector, I gave you this formula. We have the formula, it's vector, given vector divided by its magnitude. And the same formula was reversed, that is vector A can also be calculated as, can be taken as, can be rearranged as, it is magnitude of vector A into A cap. That means I conclude a statement that, and whenever a vector is required, I require two things. One is magnitude, one more I should say it is direction. So same we are approaching here also. If I'll go for this OM vector, which I am discussing here. Okay, so to find this OM vector, I require two things. OM vector, one, I require the magnitude, and one more, I require the direction. So I can say OM vectors, magnitude means length, and the given point ordered pair itself gives us the length, that is x units. X units, 3 units, 4 units and so on. Right now x units. What about the direction? So direction I should say it is along with the x-axis. Now let me say that I cap. Now I am introducing here. Got it? So now I am introducing here, that is I cap be the unit vector. I repeat, it is I cap be the unit vector along with x-axis. This is a new term. This is where I am introducing new term for you, new unit vector for you. So direction is taken along with I cap. So here I should say direction is along with I cap. So therefore I can conclude here that OM vector, a vector with magnitude x units, and I cap where I should define them, and totally I find here OM vector. Similarly, can you approach for MP vector here? MP vector means magnitude wise it is y, and direction, let me introduce a new term called J cap. It is J cap. So J cap means what? It is a unit vector along with y-axis. So here I mentioned where I and J cap are unit vectors along with x and y axis respectively. Therefore, OM vector is nothing but, I should say, x into I cap. I replaced OM vector by x into I cap. I replaced MP vector in y into J cap with the relation which we had taken it based on triangular law of vector addition. So we have OP vector is equal to x into I cap plus y into J cap. So the whole OP vector can also be taken in short as vector R is nothing but OP vector is nothing but x into I cap plus y into J cap. So this is a very important relation. Henceforth, in simple words, ನಿಮ್ಮ language ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, say normally in the PUC first year you people had taken P is a point 2,3. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ coordinate geometry language ಇದು. Correct? This is your coordinate geometry language. Same data ಇದನ್ನ vector language ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Vector language ಅಲ್ಲಿ P ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳದೆ, you would say it is OP vector, which means position vector, and followed by these terms you have to say it is 2I cap plus I should say it is 3J cap. Correct? So this is coordinate geometry language and this is vector language. Both mean same only. But here we speak about only the magnitude, only the length, whereas here along with length we have considered direction also, and that gives real meaning for the vector concept. Alright? So vector language, coordinate language. Please be careful. Vector language and coordinate geometry language. Edu same. Bariyo presentation alle matra you need to say. So P is given, coordinate geometry. But the same vector language, say OP is given, position vector is given. Okay, Q is given. In 3D also you done it last year, 3, 2, 1. This is your coordinate geometry language. But if I'll ask you what you mean by this in vector concept, then you have to say that it is OQ given. I mean position vector of Q with respect to fixed point origin O, and then the same data to say it is 3 into I cap plus you have to say 2 into J cap, okay, plus I should say it is 1 into K, nothing but K cap. This should be the terms to be taken. So back to here, it's note number 2. I hope you are copying these notes. You have to copy these notes, and repeatedly I am asking you to update your notes, because as soon as the college reopens, we will ask you to submit the notes. And at the end of the session also, when you are preparing for this chapter, you are badly in need of these notes, so you have to prepare for these notes. So back here, I should say vector R is taken. Now what about this symbol? See, whenever the question is asked, check it out, read the question, see the question carefully, whether this is asked, find R vector or find this symbol. This symbol speaks about only length without direction. So it is magnitude of vector R, length of OP vector. So what do you mean length of OP vector? See, this is OP vector. How to find the length? So from the diagram we find that it is nothing but, I should say, it's a right angle triangle, and OP is acting as a hypotenuse. Got it? Hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So definitely I can apply the formula. This is square root of x square plus y square. This should be the formula to find the length of the vector, and this is only a position vector concept. Erduರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Please terms na sariyagi nodkoli. This is vector and this is length. Formula to find the length. This is coordinate geometry. We move on for vector language. Same thing I taken for note number 3 here, based on 3-dimensional geometry, where we have x, y and z axis. P is any point given to us with the triplet x, y, z. Then all the concept again they move hand in hand, and finally remember that position vector of P means what? Symbol OP vector. The same data I should take it as x into I cap plus y into j cap plus z into k cap. This is only vector. But what about the magnitude? Length of OP vector means formula root of x square plus y square plus z square. This should be the formula. So based on this, we will go for now the actual sum starts. Now we are dealing with the, otherwise all these classes what we had taken, what we had done, it was only theory part. Now the actual numerical sums begins here and you are going to enjoy these terms. Simple question, what are the position vector of the following points whose coordinates are, A is given to us 2, 3. Just now I discussed here, see this is coordinate geometry and the question is what are the position vector of the following points. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಎರಡರದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೇಮೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ ನ ಮೊದಲು ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ಸ್ OA ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 into I cap plus 3 into J cap. So here I and J has been used. Okay, and you have to remember I and J cap are the unit vectors along with x and y axis respectively. Remember, you need not write here, it's understood. Henceforth it is accepted I, J as well as k cap. Similarly, one more question I given here. P is a point, -3, -5 and 4. Then your solution should be, just I am asking you the question, position vector bariri anta kelta idini. See, what are the position vector? So P is a point ಅಂತಂದಾಗ position vector of P ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, symbol ನ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, that is OP vector. Then same thing, write it here with the proper symbol. Minus is given, you have to respect the minus. It's -3 into I cap. ಮಧ್ಯ ಕಾಮ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. It's -5 into J cap. Okay, it is +4 into K cap. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಕಾಮಾಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3D ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮಾಸ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಅವರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಇದು, analytical geometry which are done PUC first year. So next question, if A is given ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, if A is an ordered pair 3, -4 and as -6, -8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು OA ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನ OB ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. The question is find the position vector of A and B ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ right here OA vector is equal to, that is 3I minus 4J, and OB is equal to, you have to say it is -6I plus 8J ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Got it? Next part by also find AB vector and magnitude of AB vector. ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. Find AB vector and it is length ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ವೆಕ್ಟರಿನ ಲೆಂತ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ AB vector. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ OA ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, OB ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಇದೆರಡೂ ಕೂಡ IJK ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ AB vector. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ at the beginning of also I told you note number 1, it's a very important formula. In the formula, AB vector is always equal to OB vector minus OA vector. It's a formula. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ನೋಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. OB ಅಂತ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, -6I ತುಂಬಿಕೊಡಿ, -6I ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8J ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ಮೈನಸ್ OA ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ OA ಅಂತ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, -3I. ಹಿಯರ್ I taken minus into minus, I should say it is +4J. Got it? So one more step you can write here and then you can open the bracket, you can write this step. So it is -6I minus 3J. Again like terms, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Like terms can be simplified. So again -6I minus 3I gives you -9I cap. 8J cap plus 4J cap, okay, it gives you here 12J cap. So AB vector is nothing but minus 9i cap plus 12j cap ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು AB ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ AB ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್, ಮೇಲೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೋಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ AB ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂದಾಗ -9 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ವ್ಯಾನಿಶ್, whereas 9 square 81 is considered. 12 square it is 144. So square root of nominator ಹೇಳೋದು x square plus y square ಅಂತ. So minus sign ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ neglect ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Correct? And therefore we have only squaring of the terms here. So 81 plus 144 we are left out with square root of. We can simplify here. We have 225. It's a perfect square and we find the square root as 15. So length ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ? Length is 15 units and this is the conclusion. So this is a very simple question wherein they are going to give you position vectors. I mean OA and OB. They expect you to find the vector and followed by they may ask you to find the length of AB vector also. So ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷ ಎಡಿಕಲ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ AB ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ A and B. ಬಹುಶಃ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ PUC ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x2 minus x1 whole square, isn't it? Plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Correct? So it is square root of x2 minus x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ b ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು -6 -3 ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ -6 -3 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ y2 minus y1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 8 minus of minus, isn't it? It is 8 plus 4 whole square within a root sign, of course. Okay, so this should be equal to within a root I should say. It is -6 -3 -9 square. Of course I can take it as 81 plus here 8 plus 4 12 square I should say it is 144. So back to again I should say it is 225. Back to I should say it is 15 units na answer ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೊದಲು ನಾನು x2 minus x ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ AB ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. x2 minus x1 ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ y2 minus y1 ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು AB ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ x ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ y, ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಆದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, ಲೆಂತ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ x ಬಂದಿರೋದೇ x2 minus x1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ? y2 minus y1 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗನೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು 144 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ 15 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವೀಗ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಲೆಂತ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ದೆನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ magnitude. Okay, so few more sums shortly we are going to continue.